Making a perfect circle is always challenging, so here we're going to make a simple but significant tool for making a perfect circle. For that I am using this thing. I got this from a hard disk, but if you got this two-sided, it's not useful. So we need this plain piece. You will find this in the low storage hard disks. I will cut the excess part. And now it looks fine. It contains a bearing, hence it moves freely. Smoothing the edges to avoid hurting my fingers. And so finally we got this genuine look. Hold the bearing tight so that it don't moves. We can make 7 different size of circles with this amazing tool. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.